Both in it. Guys, you guys know who.
One good until. Oh.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much, fam, for 300k subscribers on YouTube.
We need to look at the bottom one or the top one?
Top one.
Alright.
Okay, so guys, we have a little gift, yeah, for our brother. Okay,
Huh?
it's right here.
Huh?
Just because he gives it away.
What?
There you go.
What have I done?
Okay. Oh, sit here now, sit down here.
No, but
Sit
what?
down, sit
I'm
down.
alright here, I'm alright here.
Yeah, sit down here.
Why have I
Sit
got
down
a
here.
gift?
Okay, yeah, open it. Open
Did you
it.
gift you with that?
Open. Okay, guys.
You know it. Come,
Because
come,
you
come,
always
come.
give it for. It's for all of us. Yeah.
I don't give you gifts.
Go, yeah, go open it.
Why have
Go.
you gift you with
Guys, so let's see his reaction. Hopefully he likes it.
कल तू रूठ गया था रे इसलिए
मैं कहाँ रूठा था?
That's it. Wait, just look at that. Because you always give us gifts, in it? When I like 100k, 200k, so we got one for you this time.
I never give you gifts. Huh? Oh! Easy, well done. Oh, you angels. Well done, bro.
Thanks, man. You haven't opened it yet. Thank you.
Guys.
I didn't even show you. Come back.
Oh, boy. That's crazy.
We got it 5 days ago. We're waiting upstairs. We're waiting for your day off to take it, to open it.
Oh.
And then we're gonna get everyone's reaction as well. Love you
Well done,
guys.
man.
Open it.
Wait, I'm gonna say something first. Do I speak in Hindi or English?
Yeah.
Hindi. My Hindi's.
You can speak
But,
I hope you're showing.
no, I think I am. Speech से नहीं मालूम ना. Public speech. I'm sweating.
Oh my god, that was the best reaction ever. Oh god, I hope we got like proper react. I mean, thank god we kept that one there as well. Oh my god. मेरा makeup.
कैमरा देखिए
ना मैं देखिए.
अच्छा तो गाइस मेरी हिंदी इतनी सही नहीं है लेकिन मैं एक चीज़ कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये इनका सपना था और पूरा हो गया. Done. And this is only because of you guys. Yes, ये हुआ है आपकी वजह से.
Yeah.
आपकी वजह से. Can I say it again? Can you edit it out?
Yeah.
और ये सब इसलिए हुआ है सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपकी वजह से. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. We love you guys. Yeah. Now let me go see the camera.
Yeah. Yo. What did you be a gift?
you know क्या
Don't put this Hindi in,
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah, they were doing the power.
Are you allowed to put unboxing of these?
Yeah. They even email us to like get preparing of your, how you're gonna unbox.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Well done, YouTube.
Oh my god.
Alright, shall I read this for you guys?
Yeah.
I know YouTube has done well here. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could have said, you read it.
They could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought your a unique voice and style to the world, karate voice, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you the Silver Crayon Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations for this milestone.
Check this out.
Oh my
Let me show
god.
this, guys. Hold that. Hold on now. Team Vleenam.
This
और ये
award,
शक्ल इनकी.
that's a bit on grey. Yay! It's it says this award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. Thank you, Rick. Guys, amazing, unbelievable. Like, we knew when he was gonna open this, he would know. When he was gonna know when he saw this box. So we just wrapped it today. But oh my god.
Mommy, can you check mirror makeup? You can wear your makeup on.
Guys, I'm not fair to decide. Oh my god. Give it to mom and dad.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Guys.
So glad I joined this video.
Team Vleenam, guys. Finally, I remember we were sitting over there in that corner. We made our YouTube channel. Wait, yeah, we made it over there, guys. Oh my god, I still can't believe it's true. Oh, we did it, guys. Team Vleenam. Bam, we love you guys. Mwah.
Peace.
We're on 300k now. Yeah, now 1 million one coming soon, hopefully. So, yeah. Guys, we were planning where to keep it. हम कितने टाइम से प्लान कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ रखेंगे वहाँ रखेंगे अब देखते हैं क्या कहाँ रखते हैं. Sorry about my Hindi, guys. Thank you so much, guys.
And well done to you guys too.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so emotional. Oh my god, it's like a dream come true.
Congratulations.
Oh, मुझे.
Thank you.
Mom, इन्होंने मेहनत डाली मुझे free का congratulations. No, honestly, well done, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Huh? Oh! Huh? Oh!
So guys, अब हम जा रहे हैं अपने cousin के घर उनको ये दिखाने क्योंकि there's like a little cousin. He really wanted to see this. Yeah. He doesn't know we told him ages ago, like so many months ago. But now we're gonna show it to him. So we're just on our way. It's like a dream come true. But I still can't believe I'm literally holding it, like. Because we literally had it on Wednesday. Last Wednesday we recorded it all. But and today is Sunday. Sunday. Thursday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 5 days. I'm counting Wednesday as well because they came. Yeah, 5 days. I've been hiding it for like 4 days, I guess. But oh my god, guys. Bye. I don't know how to check this shit. We got something. That's what we came to show. Actually, we got it.
Oh, I know you. You do the
Okay. Beginning your 100 dag.
Oh, wow.
Okay, 100.
Shit. बहुत अच्छा यार.
Finally it came.
What? आगे तक.
Thank you.
बताया जी.
Million.
Congrats.
Thank you, Tim.
Yes,
Thank you, Jai. Thank you.
25 million!
Oh!
Congrats.
You are, bro. On Roblox.
YouTube पे ही थे।
बहुत यार.
Congrats. Award है ना Vleenam. Vleenam.
Touch it, bro. Touch it.
इसमें picture में देखा लगा ना।
Agreed. 1, 2, 3. YouTube the play button.
Oh my god!
ईशा नीचे नू।
Congratulations!
Thank you.
समझो सही।
Thank you.
ये नहीं मुझे भी आना है। तो तूने 3 बार बुलाया था नखरे की थी ना।
to show you something. Api
Go
landscape.
ahead.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Thank you.
Oh my god, you guys got an actual like plaque. Oh my god.
It's been recording. Okay. That's from Sir Glad I told you.
Sick. And it has your name. Oh my god.
Yeah, look at that. Can you see it?
Oh, I see it. Yes. Oh my god.
Flip the camera.
Does it have your logo too?
Logo? The logo is their photo, isn't it? Oh.
Like your face?
No.
Still sick.
I know. Exactly.
Oh my god, that's so sick.
So cool, no?
Now we're gonna get the gold one.
Yeah, exactly. We're waiting for the gold one. Okay, look.
What's this? Congratulations!
Thank you.
Oh my god, I'm so happy!
Thank you.
Guys, I'm so proud of you guys!
Thank you.
Yes!
Thank you.
Oh my god!
Like a little butchie. We knew your reaction was gonna be so cute.
That was so, like, I love it. I can't believe it.
Thank you.
I'm so happy. You guys should do photos. You send me some photos.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, but I'm so happy, guys.
Thank you.
You did it. Now we're gonna get golden one after this.
Definitely. Hopefully.
Yeah, we shall.
Then
Yeah.
we'll celebrate it together. You come.
Yes, we need to go out.
Yeah.
Party
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah. How's things, guys? Anyways, how's things?
All good.
I hope you didn't get me in.
You get me now.
No.
Nice.
Very magical.
3. सारे पहले मुंह छुपा लो. 3. एक इनके एंड करना.
No.
Yeah, I'm. Okay, we can all put it down like this. 3, 2.